Safety and efficiency in the OR, as well as preventing skin maceration, are high priority concerns for everyone involved in the care of patients who undergo surgical procedures. Our Sahara OR table sheet and Quicksuite OR table kit help eliminate these concerns thanks to their exceptional properties as well as ease of use. The Sahara OR table sheet features exceptional absorption qualities. Its impervious outer layer and disposable design create a low-risk environment for harboring bacteria and prevent damage of the operating table mattress. Core polymer technology absorbs bodily fluids and rapidly wicks moisture away, maintaining patient skin integrity. The quilted pattern prevents liquids from pooling in one area by spreading them throughout the sheet. Additionally, the sealed edges prevent linting, resolving one of the biggest challenges in the operating rooms. The Sahara sheet comes in two different sizes, 102 by 152 centimeters and 102 by 229 centimeters, for different operating tables and surgical procedures. In addition to the Sahara sheet, we also offer headboard cover, armboard covers, and lift sheet to support different needs for covering the OR table and patient transfer. The covers for the headboard and the armboards at the operating table are impervious and easy to use. They help in protecting the table from moisture. Medline's lift sheet comes in two different sizes and can lift up to 224 kilograms. The lift sheet is soft and pleasant for the patient and avoids friction to the patient's skin. In order to respond to various customer needs for different surgical procedures, we offer a variety of Quicksuite or table kits with different component composition. Our kits come in single packs, which support the efficient and effective setup and cleanup of the operating room. The Medline Man Positioning sticker guides the user through the positioning of the kit for quick opening and setting up on the operating table. For more information about Quicksuite or table kits or other Medline products, please contact your sales representative or visit our website at www.medline.eu.